Hi, I'm John Mullins. I started at Safe Boats in 2000. Been here about 26 years. I'm one of the leads here. My favorite part about Safe Boats is I still take a lot of pride in what I do. I always try to do better every day. And another thing that's really cool about working here, we're one big family around here. It's pretty cool. A bunch of good people work here. So I started welding when I was in high school in 1980 is when I started welding. So I've been doing it for a minute. You know, I've worked in multiple different shops, and this is hands down the best one I've ever worked in. So yeah, we built some pretty cool boats. It's pretty awesome to stand back and look at what we actually do every day. So the way the boats are designed, they are built to last. They're pretty tough boats. So I think everybody here is pretty proud of what we're doing. That it's actually helping out the military and the Coast Guard and saving people's lives, I think that's pretty cool. I think all of us really take a lot of pride in knowing that our boats do actually save lives. So. I think being in an employee-owned company is making everybody else just take a little bit more pride in the work that we do around here. The quality has definitely gone up, and I think everybody's taking a little bit more responsibility, is a little bit more serious. Yeah, it's a good thing all the way around. I think everybody's pretty happy with it. Yeah, if you're interested in doing this and building these boats and you're into aluminum welding, please go ahead and apply and go through safeboats.com. Look us up, check us out. We'd love to have you.